Today I'll be talking about my Arduino project. It's an alarm system. Uh, Things I used in the projects were just one sensor called ultrasonic ping sensor HCSR04. It costs about €5 to get it online, which is not bad, and uh, it measures the movements within 1.5 meters. I also used an Arduino Uno board, uh, mainly because I was supplied with an Arduino starter pack, and was actually very easy to use, and there was a lot of help online. And I have also used a 5-meter LED strip that basically uh, lights up red whenever the goes off, so it gives that alarm kind of look, if you know what I mean. And I also used a piezo buzzer, which was also on the Arduino starter pack. And whenever the alarm goes off, basically it makes a beeping sound like an alarm. So I have started uh, to try and assemble the Arduino board by just looking online and seeing how to basically work with Arduino. I never worked before. And here are some photos of my Arduino being all assembled. And I had few problems on the way. Now you can see in the first video here that the sensor was delaying for about 10 seconds, which wasn't what I was looking for, and caused the alarm to basically lag for 10 seconds, as you can see in the video here. And in the next video, the other problem was that it was still delaying for about 2 seconds, which was still not good enough. It wasn't good enough to basically be an alarm. So what I did was I I deleted the delay, and it works now, as you can see in the last video.
Oh no!